Hello and welcome to this programming tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you another control structure we can use to check against data. Let's start by creating a variable called day. And this day variable is going to hold a number, 0 to 6. In total, that will be 7 numbers, i.e. 7 days of the week. And what we want to do is we want to convert the number into a day of the week. Now we could do an if statement to say if day is equal to 0, then print out Monday. But there's a much better way. Let's use a match or a case selection statement to do this. To start, what we do is we write the command match. And we want to define what we match to. In this case, I want to match to the day variable. I can then use special commands called cases to dictate what happens depending on what the day is. Think of it like having multiple equal to statements. So, on case 0, let's print Monday. Just like that. You can see the indentation over here is the same as when we have an if statement. This print Monday is inside case 0, and case 0 is inside the match. Now we can carry on with other cases. For example, case 1, print Tuesday, and let's do the rest of them. I'll copy and paste this, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Just change it to the days of the weeks over here. And lastly, let's change the numbers so the numbers correlate with the correct day. If I run this program, I should get the output Monday, because day is 0. If I put 5, I get Saturday, because case 5 says that it's Saturday. So in this way, you can see how this might look similar to like an if equals statement. If day is equal to 0, if day is equal to 1, if day is equal to 2, and so on. Now, like with if statements, we can have a default value that matches up if none of the cases match the original value. To do this in Python, we write case underscore. That underscore is just a special character that lets the program know this is the default value. And let's print error, I don't understand that. Now if I put a number that's exceeding 6, for example 7, I should get error, I don't understand that. Cases are quite useful in statements, and they can be very useful in organizing your code. Now, the funny thing is you can actually include if statements with your case structures. Let's have a look how to do this. We're going to set a course. Let's set it to music. We're going to give a grade, say A star. And let's give a student's name, let's say Jake as an example. What I'm going to do is I'm going to match the student name and I'm going to try and output the grades, but only if they are on the music course. So let's do case Abby, and we'll leave it blank for now. If you ever want to leave a statement blank but you don't, because you don't know what to put there yet, put pass so your program can still run with that. We'll do case Jake, and we'll do a default case. The default case will just print out error, students not found. So I've got 2 cases here for 2 students. Let's expand this further and include a guard. When you guard a case, you are giving a method that prevents certain cases from being executed. In other words, you're adding a rule for every case. To do that, what we're going to do is after the speech mark and before the colon, we're going to do an if statement. If course is equal to music and grade is equal to A star, then we're going to print fantastic job students. With Jake, we'll do a very similar thing, But in this case, we'll say if course is not equal to music. What do you think will happen if I run this program? We get error, student not found. This is because even though the case of the student matches the case Jake, the course is music and therefore it won't output the right command, the right outputs. If we change this to computer science, for example, and I run this program, we get fantastic job, Jake, because this guard is now true. This is a very complicated way of introducing a case statement, but it's worth knowing. So today we've looked at how you can match variable names with data. We've looked at how you can use an underscore as a default value. And we've looked at how we can guard our case statements in case we want that extra bit of checking done for each case. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful.